is very, very special. That was text 556. Now, text 568 is also the boons, blessings. Masi Badra Pade Shukla Dwadashi Shravananvita Sarva Kama Prada Punya Upavase Mahaphala. The Shravanic Dwadashi of the fortnight of the waxing moon in the month of Bhadra tonight fulfills all one's desires. So that's twice we heard about all of our desires become fulfilled. So we should formulate our desires and concentrate and focus our desires into one desire. We have lots of desires, no doubt. So we really don't want all our desires fulfilled. We just want one desire fulfilled. And we should hone our desires into one perfect desire. And that becomes our lifelong sankalpa. While chanting, while doing puja, while praying, while doing parikrama. And a general prayer from many of the Gaudiya Vaishnavas, following the line of Rupanuga Vaishnavas, following Rupa Mandri, Rati Mandri. Their only desire is to attain the eternal service of the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani in the groves of Vrindavan. That's the all-consuming fixation of the mind of a Rupanuga Raganuga Vaishnava. And even more, you can say, my only ambition, desire in life is to attain the service of the service of the service of the servants of Sri Rupa Manjari. Because then you're in line of your Guru Varg, your Guru Sakhi. Prabhupada's Sakhi name, which sincere advanced sadhakas will realize in their meditation. They will be revealed one way or the other. And then Param Guru Sakhi, like this. As I mentioned in one class in Chaitanya Bhagavat, there are many gurus even living today or have lived recently that reveal everything to their disciples through the heart. Have you heard that class? It's about 2 days ago. The guru simply does bhajan and he gives classes, and then when he's having any questions, he says, you chant japa, you'll get the answer in your heart. Everything in your heart. All answers to all your questions. And he has lots of disciples. And they're all very well situated. So this possibility is there. That whole class is there. Guru is in the heart, super souls in the heart. Guru is super soul is Guru. Chaitya Guru is the internal life. The super soul within giving internal life. When the super soul comes out, Chaitya Guru comes out as the Mahanta Guru or the Diksha Guru, he gives the external life. Chaitya means life. Chaitya Guru in the heart gives life, and the Diksha Guru gives life. Dvija means birth, janma. Now we're basically, until we're born, till we take birth from Guru, we're basically dead. God is dead. The atheists in the West, they preach God is dead. And for everyone that doesn't have Diksha, God is dead. Basically. Because they have not awakened their relationship with God by surrendering Diksha. Beginning. Initiation. Beginning. Beginning of what? Life. What life? Spiritual life. Jivatma. Okay, temporarily, but then don't slip into the fish from that. Shit. Strict surveillance. Need a stick. Where's the Tom? So we have to have one desire, because this Ekadasi fulfills all desires. And we earn immense pleasure. So ask yourself, what do you want? What is your goal in life? What is your prayojan? Why are you chanting? Why are you meditating? Why are you doing puja? Why you want to be a devotee? Why you surrender? What's the purpose of life? What is your ultimate vision of yourself? Where do you want to go? What do you want to do when you get there? Oh, I want to go to Hawaii. What will we do when you get there? Oh, I'll do this, I'll go here, I'll see that. You have a whole list of itinerary. What you'll do when you go to some place. Well, we'll eat in this restaurant, and we'll go here, and we'll do this and that. All right, we're going to Vrindavan, the supreme eternal home. What will you do when you get there? What do you want to do? Fix your goal. That's sankalpa. Oh, wait a minute. This is text. Next one is 655. It's like you get on a ship, you get on a sailboat, and there's no rudder. There's no like little fin in the water. Where will you go? The wind is blowing, you'll just go around in circles. Lots of noise, lots of wind, big arrangement, big boat, cabin, this, that, all kinds of staples and food and dry food and all kinds of things. But then you're just, the wind's blowing, the sails are open, the big beautiful sailboat, sails are open. There's no rudder to fix your course, to control the wind. Big arrangement, big noise, wind's blowing. Whoosh. Even you may have a motor. Sailboats have motors also. They have a motor, but there's no rudder. You won't be able to get anywhere. Fix the direction.